Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to archive or unarchive any post on Instagram. It's not something difficult or it's going to take you a long time in order to archive a post. It's only going to take you like one click or two clicks and you're going to be able to do it. Okay, so now I am going to Instagram. Okay, so for example, this post, I want to archive this post. So all I need to do is to click on the three not lines, but the 3 points here. And then let's click on archive, that's it. So I'm gonna click on it and it's gone. Okay, so now I am going to go to the 3-line button here and I'm gonna click on archive, post archive, and then you're gonna find the post. All you need to do is to click on show on profile and you just unarchive it. Okay, and here we're gonna find it again. So as you can see guys, it's not something difficult or it's gonna take you a long time or something like complicated to do it. It's so easy, as you can see. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in future, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.